What's up guys, we're here at Vertis Ayala Malls and we're gonna check out another sneaker shop. This time it's Intersports. It's the first time that I saw this sneaker shop, so I'm very eager to see what they have to offer. So let's go! So guys, now we're here on their basketball section. So yeah, over here you can see the LeBrons that they have and the Kyries. They also have PG sneakers. From this wall, we have the Soldiers, two colorways. You have this PG3 in two colorways. You have the LeBron lows. And then this one is the, I'm not really sure, can't remember what's the name of these sneakers, but they have two colorways. We have three colorways of this LeBron Witness. And then over here, we have this KD sneakers. This is, we have two colorways. They have the black and gold and the blue and black. Then we have this Kyrie Flight Trap, which is actually a Brooklyn Nets colorway. So this is actually really nice. I like the silhouette, I like the look of these sneakers, and it's only at 6,000 pesos. Here you have the KDs, and then you have this Zoom Rise over here, three colorways. And then on this section we have Adidas, so they have the Dawn Issue 1. They have 1, 2, 3 colorways of it. Then this one, these are new sneakers of Adidas at 4,000 pesos only. So if you're looking for good sneakers, looks like it's sturdy. This is another choice. Then the BE3 of James Harden is also here. It has another colorway over here. Then this one, this is a new silhouette from Adidas. As far as I know, probably you guys would know better. This is the first time I saw it, and it's actually nice. The name, I'm not sure what's the name, it's not here, but it has three colorways. So this is another colorway, and then this is the last colorway that they have here. It is very bright. Then the ones that I mentioned are all here. So let's move on to the other section. So guys, over here we have the sports style section of Adidas. So they have all these sneakers that we're not really familiar with, but this is the Cloud Foam. Very comfortable, very soft, very light. And this one, another Cloud Foam. Yeah. It's similar to the Roshi runs of Nike. They have different colorways over here. There's another Cloud Foam Comfort. So yeah, let's check out the other sneakers, the running shoes. Here we have a Nike section. Here we have a Nike section, mostly running shoes. We have the Pegasus 36 over here. This is one of the best running shoes, although it's a little bit pricey. Another Zoom running shoes over here. This is what I like. I like how this one looks. These are the Nike Zoom Gravity. It's very light. It has the Element 87 vibe with the translucent upper, translucent mesh upper, and it has zoom. So yeah, this is, if ever you're gonna buy anything from here, this is the one that I could really recommend. So also have these, another Zoom sneakers, and then the Zoom Fly 3, which is in black and pink colorway, which is actually nice. It's at 8,095. Very comfortable, very soft, Zoom Flies. And yeah, this is the Zoom X or the Pegasus Turbo 2. So wow man, these are very light. I have the first version of the Pegasus Turbo. This is the second one. Let me see if I should purchase this one or not. Over here you have the Reacts. You have the Epic Reacts over here. And then this one is the Legend React, which if you have white feet, I think this is the one for you. Here is another Legend React. Actually, these are not bad. They're actually nice. I like the outsole where you have this big swoosh. So yeah, they have three colorways. You have blue and white, black and white, navy and white. And here you have the laceless Epic React. Another version, another colorway of the laceless Epic React. Over here they have a similar outsole of the Element 55 and 87. It's called Renew. So feels soft. So not sure what it's really called. So it has another colorway over here. No price as well. Here we have the New Balance section. So they have these in two colorways. Fly knit or knitted upper, soft midsole, very light, soft to the touch. This one is another version of this New Balance Comfort Ride. I'm sure this is very comfortable for walking. Another fresh foam. So a lot of these sneakers develop their own foam, similar to the Ultra Boost, to the Zoom Flies. So for New Balance, they have this fresh foam. They call it fresh foam, which is actually a bit soft. Nothing compared to the Boost. This one's same. This one's more softer. Then over here we have the fuel cell, which is one of the recent technology of New Balance. So it has a prime knit upper. Now this one is really soft and very light. So I think this is really good for running. Fly knit upper, very light, and cushioning system I think is very good. These two are the same. So it only has two colorways. It has two colorways. Here's the other colorway. I like how it looks. Oh, there's another one over here. This is we only have three colorways of these. So this one, and this one. So these are the Propel. Fuel cell Propel, while the other one is called Rebel. So the Rebel has two colorways. Very light, soft, nice knitted upper, while the Propel is actually a more sturdy looking New Balance fuel cell sneaker. So this one has four colorways. Here we have the bounce. So this one costs about 4,700 pesos. These are the solar drives. They sell for 6,500. And the solar glides at 6,500 pesos. So guys, that's about it. I hope you enjoyed my tour at Intersports here at Ayala Malls Vertis North. Guys, before we end this video, I just want to remind you that we have an ongoing giveaway. We're giving away a sneaker of your choice in your shoe size. So please check out the mechanics in the description box down below. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please press the thumbs up button down below. And if you haven't subscribed to our channel, please press the subscribe button and click on the notification bell. Don't forget to follow us on all our social media accounts. Until next time.